This has been a failed state. A country without a central government for the last 20 years. They had no option. They want somebody to help them. They want somebody to restore security. And who is that person who is supposed to restore security? So that's what the Somalians are looking forward to. They want somebody to help them. Is it going to be a Somalian? Is it going to be a Ugandan? Is it going to be a UN person? Who is that person who is going to give them hope? Absolutely, the Somalians need a better life. When we came to this theater, it's a bit difficult because we are fighting in a built-up area. So the best we had to do was to adapt. We had to adjust ourselves very fast to fit within that type of fighting. Of course, fighting in an urban area or urban terrain is the most difficult warfare for any military in the world. The challenge of an urban warfare, in particularly to the UPDF, was that we had been fighting counterinsurgency in an open terrain. Mostly when you look at the northern part of Uganda, we had been operating in, and in southern Sudan, and then Congo areas. This is a different terrain from what we have got here.
Here, when you have not controlled the corridors and the tall buildings, that's where the problem is. But once you have already controlled the corridors, you have already constructed the Escobar.